If you want to join this trend and want to make this type of reels on Instagram, let's see how you can do this. In this video, I'll show you two methods. You can follow any one which is comfortable to you. So let's get started. So to make this, you need a video which is shot horizontally for a better results. So after you have a video, open PicsArt, then go to the Edit a Video option. Now add your video, then go to the crop option given on bottom of the screen. Now from here choose the option header. Now adjust your video accordingly so that main content is visible. And now you're done. Save the video and you are ready to share. Now coming into the second method, if you don't have PicsArt, then you can simply go to your gallery. Open the video you want to edit. Now go to Edit, then to the crop option. And crop as small as you like. Cropping from here gives better results than PicsArt, so I prefer you to do this method first. Adjust the video, and then save. And now you're done. So this is how you can do this trend. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share with your friends.